Hey there. Hope you guys are having a great day. We have some quacktastic in store for you today. That's right. We're about to embark on an exciting discussion about the top 10 Florida ducks. So grab your binoculars, bird guidebook, and join us on this thrilling adventure as we soar through the wetlands of Florida. So let's get started. Our first spotlight is on the intriguing ruddy duck. While not as widely recognized as some other species, the ruddy duck possesses unique characteristics that make it worth discovering. Sporting a vibrant cinnamon red body and a distinct blue bill, these ducks stand out in any wetland settings. But what truly sets them apart are their courtship display. During breeding season, the male puts on a remarkable show by inflating their neck feathers to create an eye-catching puffball effect. Their courtship rituals are a sight to behold. This species is common in the bays and ponds of Florida, and they can be seen at the Everglades National Park as well. Second on the list is the bufflehead duck. Let's dive into the world of the bufflehead duck. This small diving duck may not be as well known as its larger counterparts, but it certainly captures attention with its striking black and white plumage. The buffleheads are agile swimmers and divers, showcasing an impressive underwater skills. They often forage on small aquatic invertebrates and plant matters, adding to an ecological balance to their habitat. Keep an eye on these charming ducks in coastal areas, Gulf Island, and similar areas. Third on the list is the northern shoveler duck, a species that deserves more recognition for its fascinating feeding habits. Naming for its unique shovel-shaped bill, this duck has a perfect of the art of filter feeding. Using a specialized bill, the northern shoveler sweeps through the water, capturing small seeds and vegetation. Its plumage is equally captivating. With iridescent red head and chestnut side, these ducks bring a touch of elegance to Florida's marshes and wetlands. The northern shoveler are usually spotted in Florida during the winters from October to April. Fourth on the list is the mallard duck. While the mallard duck is a well-known species worldwide, many people are unaware of the unique behaviors of the Florida mallard population. Unlike their migratory counterpart, the Florida mallard are year-round residents, adapting to the state's various habitats. They can be found in ponds, lakes, and even urban parks, blending in the local environment. Despite their familiarity, there is always more to learn about the behaviors of these remarkable ducks. Fifth on the list is the long-tailed duck. Let's now discover the long-tailed duck, a species that is often overlooked but definitely deserves more attention. These ducks are winter visitors to Florida coastal waters, arriving for their breeding grounds in the Arctic. Long-tailed duck display distinctive breeding featuring a long, elegant tail and studding patterns. What makes them truly fascinating is their remarkable diving abilities. These ducks are capable of diving to impressive depths in search of food and small fish. Witnessing their diving powers and admiring their breeding attire is a true delight. Sixth on the list is the green-winged teal duck. The green-winged teal duck is a species that tends to fly under the radar despite its captivating plumage. These small dabbling ducks can be found in Florida's shallow wetlands, marshes, and ponds. What sets them apart is a distinctive green patch on their wings, a feature that becomes very more prominent during flight. The green-winged teal has a diverse diet, foraging on various seeds, insects, and aquatic plants. So keep your eyes peeled for an elegant duck, and you'll be rewarded with a glimpse of their beauty. Seventh on the list is the red-breasted merganser duck. This duck often goes unnoticed, despite its remarkable fishing abilities. These ducks possess slender, serrated bills that are perfectly adapted for catching and holding on slippery prey. During the breeding season, the males showcase a stunning mix of white, black, and rusty red plumage. Look for them in Florida coastal areas and large lakes, where they can display their fishing powers. Observing the ducks in action will truly leave you in awe of their hunting skills. Eighth on the list is the cinnamon teal duck. The cinnamon teal duck is a species that remains relatively unknown to many. These ducks boast a breathtaking cinnamon-colored plumage, adding to a touch of warmth and beauty to Florida's wetlands. The males have a bright cinnamon body and head, Upper wings has a blue patch with a green rear and a white border at the back. The females are a brownish gray overall with a dark edge feathers. A blue wing patch with a white border is visible in the upper wings. The ducks like to forage on various aquatic plants and seeds. Keep an eye open for the rich cinnamon tones that adorn these lovely ducks as they navigate the waters of Florida. Ninth on the list is the wood duck. The wood duck possesses unique characteristics that makes it worth discovering. These ducks are renowned for their vibrant plumage featuring striking patterns of green, brown, and white. They are often described as the most beautiful ducks in North America. In Florida, the wood ducks can be found in various wetlands habitat, including swamps, marshes, and wooden ponds. The wood ducks prefer to nest in tree cavities, using the trees to keep them away from predators. The wood duck is one of the only few duck species that nest in Florida. Courtship and pairing takes place during winter. So keep an eye out on the wood duck exquisite colors and fascinating nesting habits as you explore Florida's natural landscapes. 10th on the list is the hooded Mallard duck. This duck deserves more recognition for its unique appearance and behavior. These ducks are named for the striking fan-shaped crest on their males' heads, which can be raised or lowered depending on their moods or courtship display. The male's black and white plumage is equally captivating, while the female sports a more muted brown coloration. These ducks are diving ducks, catching fish and aquatic invertebrate. They can be found in Florida's freshwater habitats, including lakes, rivers, and marshes. Witness the male's elaborate courtship during and observing their synchronized diving patterns is a truly sight to behold. And that's our conclusion to our exploration of the best ducks in Florida. We hope you enjoy this journey in the fascinating world of Florida ducks. From the stunning colors to the unique behaviors, these ducks are truly represent the beauty and diverse of Florida's wildlife. If you found this duck video informative and entertaining, don't forget to ring that bell icon to stay notified with our future content. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't want to miss any of our fun facts lowdowns. Thanks for watching and see you next time.